What's going on, guys? We are out here in Maricopa, Arizona today. We are going to be visiting the beautiful Rancho El Dorado Masterplan Community here in Maricopa. This is a very, very popular community. This one's been going strong, close to about 20 years. It's kind of like the early 2000s when it was getting established. I'm standing out here near the main road. As you can see, this is the 347 right over here. So this is the main highway, if you will, that will take you north into the Phoenix metropolitan area. The first place that you hit is Chandler, and then you have Ahwatukee and Tempe, all in that direction right there. So as you come in from the north and you're traveling south into Maricopa, this is one of the first communities that you are going to run across, which is Rancho El Dorado. So as you can see, it's really busy out here. This is a 2-lane highway, 2 lanes going north, 2 lanes going south, and then as you take it this direction, you go right into like the center of town where all the shopping's at. There's grocery stores, there's a lot of food options as well in there. But today we're gonna be taking a look at this beautiful master plan community, Rancho El Dorado. I'm gonna show you and highlight some of the major attractions of this community. We're gonna be taking a tour of one home today. It's a resale home. We're gonna go look at that, so let's jump right into it. All right, guys, so we are here at the Jane Askew Memorial Park here in Rancho El Dorado, and it's pretty much right at the entrance of the Rancho El Dorado community, which is pretty much right over here. But you can see that this is a good park, actually. They have a good sized playground. It's covered. You know, when we get those super hot sunny days, you want to make sure that that equipment is covered. There is a decent sized lake pond area right over here with a beautiful fountain. See the water spraying up out of the fountain right there. There's a little bit of a grassy area over here, which some people are enjoying right now. And then right over here, you can see some people golfing right over there, and that is the Duke Golf Course. So that is one of the major attractions of the Rancho El Dorado community. So this is a beautiful park. This is something that you should definitely check out if you're coming into Rancho El Dorado, because you can't miss it. It's right at the entrance of Rancho El Dorado. All right, guys, let's continue the tour. Well, all right, guys. Well, this is the elementary school here in Rancho El Dorado. As you can see, this is Santa Rosa Elementary School. So what this does is pretty much just gives you that convenience of having that elementary school within this master plan community, so you don't have to commute very far to get your children to school. As you can see, there's actually homes right across the street right here. So if you're someone that lives in this street or this block, your kids can actually walk to school, no problems at all. There's residential homes all throughout here. This is the golf course right over here. This is the Duke Golf Course. We'll go over there and take a look at that here in a second. I just wanted to point out to you that there is an elementary school within this master plan community. And again, it's called Santa Rosa Elementary School. So if you wanted to do the research on it, you can go ahead and look that school up, see what the reviews are looking like, see what the parents are saying about this school right here. Let's continue the tour. All right, this is the Duke Golf Course right back here. There's a restaurant and bar right inside, and then there is a little golf store in there as well. So if you need to pick up, you know, some golf supplies, some shirts, some gear, whatever the case is, they've got that right inside there. So again, this is the Duke Golf Club right over here. So if you're in the Rancho El Dorado, or if you're in Maricopa in general and you just enjoy golfing, this is the place to be. Come check it out. Well, all right, that was a beautiful home that we just toured. Let's run through some of the numbers. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,456 square foot home. This home was built in 2003. It's sitting on a 5,546 square foot lot, and the home is listed for $305,000. The HOA runs $143 quarterly, and that's going to cover your common areas, the parks, those type of things. Now inside the home, what we saw was some large format neutral tile. It also looked like there was some brand new neutral carpet in there as well. It looked like it was freshly painted. In the kitchen, I noticed maple cabinetry. There was some granite countertops in the kitchen as well. In the bathrooms, they were pretty much standard. They were builder grade, so there was some room there for some upgrades if that's something that you want to do. And also in the backyard, it looks like there's pretty much a blank canvas that you can come in and put your own design touches on the backyard. It looks like there's plenty of room for a pool if that's something that you're interested in. It also looks like it has the makeup for a desert landscape type of backyard as well. So that's going to keep your costs down, like your water usage and those type of things down as well. Let me know what you thought about this home. Just drop your comments down in the comment section below. If you're familiar with the Maricopa area, let us know what you think about this neighborhood. That really helps out. A lot of the viewers jump down to the comment section to see what's said about the neighborhoods and the homes, so feel free to drop those comments down below. Also, if you want more information about this home or this particular neighborhood or any other home out here in Maricopa, feel free to reach out to me. And as always, guys, I truly appreciate your time. I appreciate you tuning into my content. It really blows my mind to see as much support that I'm getting from all of you guys, and I really do appreciate that. And like always, guys, I really appreciate you. I hope you have an amazing day.